Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to enable back tap on iPhone. This feature lets you double tap or triple tap the back of your phone to instantly perform actions like taking screenshots, opening apps, or turning on your flashlight. Let's jump right in. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, select Touch, then scroll to the bottom where you'll find Back Tap. Tap on it. You'll see two options here, double tap and triple tap. Let's start with double tap. Now, you'll see a full list of iPhone shortcuts you can assign, things like screenshot, lock screen, volume controls, control center, or even custom shortcuts you've created. Just tap the action you want and it's applied instantly. Then go back and set up your triple tap shortcut the same way if you'd like. Once configured, simply double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone and your shortcut runs immediately. And that's it. You've now enabled back tap shortcuts on your iPhone. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.